To stop pop-up ads on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, it usually actually come from three sources: a specific application, the browser, or a system notification ads. The first one, you will have to find and remove the app that is causing pop-up ads. So we have to go for the settings, and the most pop-ups comes from recently installed apps. So on your phone, you have to just go for the settings, select application, and now sort from installed by you. There we go. And you can also go from last used. So as you can see here, I just installed the power line, for example, and I have to take it off. Just simply get rid of this application. Now, if it is still not working and you've got some kind of the problems, you have to go for the settings one more time, but now we are looking for notifications settings. And when we are here, we have to just simply check which apps recently sent notification with ads. So over here, we can go for a notification highlight, or we can also go for sort and filter notifications. So for example, if we enable the old notifications, we'll be able to check its history. But basically, you have to just go for app notifications, and over here we can select most recent notifications. So as you can see, if there's the application, for example, the net speed indicator, you have to grab it. You can uninstall, or if you are using this, you can disable its notifications. That's very important, but also you can disable its permissions. So it works a little bit different because we have to now go back into the applications. Let's pick this application that was last used, for example, installed by you, and get, for example, the Facebook. And from the permissions, you have to make sure that it doesn't have permission into notifications. So if it is allowed, you have to click on it and simply unselect to don't allow. And this is it. I hope you find it useful.